How are you? Very fine. Today we're making a super nice visit in Volcano of Naples. And we're here in Amalfi, and you can see it's amazing. And we are going to drink a super nice wine.
The family had an idea on the future of biodiversity, sustainability, and brought all the properties that the people saw. Organic wood, you know, the stronger for arriving until this week. Okay, we have the worm of the soil, okay, is important for below on the waves, okay? And under we have the leaf. We have perfect leaves because from the sea arrives the wind. The wind brings the salt from the sea. The salt goes on the leaves. If you touch the leaves, you like the skin. Those are the first two plants of the family. They have 150 years, okay? 150 years. These two plants don't destroy from the volcano, because from the eruption of the volcano, because the great trees covered these two plants. This is the white wine and red wine. This is Capretone, this is Piedirosso.
Nos encontramos en el volcán del Vesubio, en Nápoles. Es un viñedo espectacular donde vamos a probar los mejores vinos orgánicos y vamos a comer cosas deliciosas como siempre acá en Italia. Los esperamos.
Capretone is a local white grape variety from Vesuvio. The method to obtain this sparkling wine is a long Charmat method. It means that the fermentation takes place in still tanks for more than 10 months and of 1 year in a bottle.
Hi everyone, so we are here in Naples and we are actually right underneath the Vesuvio, the volcano. This is one of the best wine areas because this is where you're going to find great soil. You have the sea and you have the sun. So I hope you enjoy this amazing tour with us to try both the red and the white as well as rosé. This is one of the best organic wines in Italy. Enjoy! A Florencia.
Grazie.
Rapido is the little stone of lava, which is the rapido. Okay? The rapido stone create a drainage. The water goes very, very deep, 8-9 meters. The roots go deep to search the water. Yes, when the roots meet the water, it's also the minerals.
En este momento vamos a oler una planta de limón para poder beber este licor que nos recomendaron sin azúcar. Entonces hay que oler el limón para sentir la dulzura. Vamos a ver qué onda. Muy bueno, se los recomiendo. Pruébenlo.
Hi guys, so we are here trying a mixture of all the wines, but it's some kind of a liquor. They have given us a lemon leaf to smell. That way you can do a beautiful contrast with the liquor. So let's take a look. Wow, it's really good.
Cheers!